In this video, I'll show you the difference between a number over 0 and 0 over a number. So what do we mean by whenever we say A over B is equal to C? If we put this in other word, we can write this as A divided by B is equal to C. If this is correct, then we can prove this by multiplying C times B and we get A. So if A divided by B is equal to C, then C multiplied by B is equal to A. Let's look at it this way. We said A over B is equal to C. So we said A divided by B, we get C. Then C multiplied with B, we get A. Let's put this with numbers. Let's say 6 divided by 3, we get 2. And 2 multiplied with 3, we get 6. So we said 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 2 multiplied with 3, we get 6. Let's go back to our topic. We said the difference between 4 over 0 and 0 over 4. Let's look this one first. We say 0 over 4 is equal to 0 because 0 multiplied with 4, we would get this 0. In other words, 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0. Then 0 multiplied with 4, we would get this 0. What about 4 over 0? We say 4 over 0 is undefined. Because we cannot find a number in here in which whenever we multiplied it with 0, we get 4. Look at it. We say this number is going to be multiplied with 0, and then we would say 4, right? So the thing is, we cannot find a number to substitute in here in this box in which whenever we multiplied it with 0, we would get 4. Because anything multiplied with 0 is 0. So this is not equal to 4. So this box, anything we put here, if we multiplied it with 0, we would get 0. So we said 4 over 0 is undefined. And 0 over 4 is equal to 0. So one of the techniques that I use in the past to remember the difference between these two is I assume any number as a person, and then I assume the 0 as a ball. So think about it. Any person cannot stand on a ball. So that would be undefined. But a ball can stand on a person. So that is the way that I use to actually remember faster, instead of like multiplying a number in order to get a defined answer or not.